Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Miss T at ms.t is blessed. Please hit the notification bell, please leave a comment, and please subscribe. Today I'm going to complete one of my DIYs. I have probably 20 DIYs that I've started and haven't completed. So today I'm going to complete this DIY with you all. This is a vase that I bought from the thrift store. I think it was maybe $5 and I got a half price. So first I'm going to tell you all of the supplies that I used. I had sparkle glitter, diamond wrap, the silver diamond wrap, and the diamond wrap with the black background, glue gun, scissors, tape, Mod Podge, some pearl gems, and a sponge brush. So the first thing I did was tape it off, and I sprayed it all black with black spray paint, and I didn't like it, so I took it off. So then I started using the crushed glass. Let me see, this right here. And I used that at the bottom. This is it right here. That's how it looks. So I put that on first at the bottom. But I didn't press it in too well. So when I put my second coat of Mod Podge on, I pressed it in a little more, so it came out a little better. But I didn't want the whole vase to be like that. So then I started with the glitter. So I went halfway up with the Mod Podge, put the glitter on. I didn't do it straight. I didn't want it to go straight around, so it was like little angles up and down. And I did 3 layers. Next, I started with the black background diamond wrap. Now this sounds a lot quicker than what it took, because it probably took me maybe 4 days going back and forth to decide what I wanted. So I put the black background diamond wrap around the top, 2 rows of that. With the glitter, I taped it off. See all this messy tape over here? Well, I taped it off with the blue tape, sectioned it off, and did every other space. And I left an empty space because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. So once I put the black background diamond wrap, I still wanted something different. So I had the crushed glass, the glitter, and black background diamond wrap. So then the spaces that had the glitter in it, I outlined it with the diamond wrap. So what I did, I counted the spaces and I cut them out ahead of time so that it wouldn't take too long. So I just had it cut out ahead of time. And let me see what. So I just put it up on, put some glue up the top. And some glue down the side, almost like an outline of the glitter. Have to clean up all of those strings. And once I finish all of my, well, not all of them, but most of my DIYs for my dining room, then I'm going to do a tablescape of all my DIYs. So you see, I just outlined where I put the glitter. And I use a smaller glue gun with these because it's just a small section. And I still have to go back and clean it up with the glue strings and a little bit of the Mod Podge. What is it called? Mod Podge. So I have to clean that up. And so I make that even. I counted the strips out ahead of time. See, I cut them out from this section so that it wouldn't take as long. So it's just a couple more left to do. And be careful with the glue gun because this glue gets hot really quick. And this glue gun doesn't have a setting on it. My other one does. But depending on if it's going to be a quick or a long DIY, which glue gun I'll use. So as you see, I'm still outlining the glitter. And I have a big mess over here because I changed my mind so many times. That's why I didn't record everything. If I had recorded everything, it probably would have took probably a week worth of video to record everything. So I have the black background diamond wrap around the top, one black background diamond wrap between the two sections of glitter, and then I outline the section of the glitter. So it takes a little, it takes a little time to do it. But if you measure it and cut out the pieces as you go along, it'll go a little quicker. So at the end of the black background diamond wrap, I used these little gems. I think I got them from Family Dollar or Dollar Tree, I'm not sure, but they look like pearls. So they have a sticky background, but I put it on yesterday to see if it would stay, but it was, some of them came off. So we just put a dab of glue on it and put it right at the end of the black diamond wrap. See, I'll put some more on the rest. See, it has a little sticky background, but that's not gonna stay. Once again, be careful of the hot glue. So I just put it at the end of the black diamond wrap to give it a little something extra. Ooh. But when you're doing things like this, you can, whatever you think of that you like, that you think would look nice for your decor, that's what you would do. So this is my $5 or $250 vase from Goodwill. So I have crushed glass, glitter, diamond wrap, and pearl beads. So there you have it. One of my completed DIYs. So if you like this video, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. And this is Miss T. Remember, today is a gift. Enjoy your present and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.